In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning profile picture using ChatGPT's image generator. This is an easy-to-follow guide, perfect for anyone looking to give their online presence a sleek and professional touch. So, let's jump right in and get started on crafting that perfect profile picture. First things first, we need to open ChatGPT. If you're already familiar with this, it should be a breeze. Head over to your browser and type in chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you're not logged in, you won't be able to access the cool features we're about to explore. Make sure everything's correct, and you'll be on your way. With ChatGPT open, the next step is to start a new chat. You'll see this option clearly on the left sidebar. Look for the button that says New Chat and give it a click. This sets the stage for our next task and ensures we have a fresh workspace to experiment with the image generation tool. Now it's time to delve into the crux of our tutorial, opening the image generator. Right in the message bar, you'll notice a plus icon, or sometimes a paperclip symbol representing images. Click on that and select the option that says Create Image. This feature is a powerhouse tool that allows you to generate images as unique and creative as you can imagine. Once you've opened the image generator, it's time to send in your prompt. This is where the magic happens. Here's an example prompt for you to use. Create a bold, modern profile picture with a vivid red background. Include clean white text that says ChatGPT. Make it minimal, sharp, and professional. This specific wording is designed to give you a crisp, high-quality image that's perfect for a professional profile picture. Feel free to tweak the prompt to fit your personal style or branding needs. After you've sent in your prompt, ChatGPT will work its magic and generate the image. Be patient as it may take a moment to process. When the image appears, it's time to save your masterpiece. Simply hover over the generated image and an option will appear to download it. Click on Download, and just like that, you've got your new profile picture ready to go. This simple process allows you to create customized and visually striking images with ease, right from your browser. It's a handy tool for anyone looking to make a strong impression online. Remember to experiment with different prompts and see what unique designs you can come up with. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!